Listen up, people. We're living in the age of influencers. Back in the day, we had billboards and TV ads. Now, we've got real people selling to real people. That's the power of influencer marketing. It's not just a trend, it's a full-on revolution. Think about it. How many times have you bought something because someone you follow recommended it? That's the magic of influencers. They're not just faces on a screen, they're friends, advisors, and trendsetters. And in 2024, they're more powerful than ever. Influencer marketing is exploding. It's projected to hit $22.2 billion in 2024. More brands are jumping on board every day. People want authenticity. Micro-influencers are changing the game. It's time to wake up and smell the influence. Let's talk benefits, people. Influencer marketing isn't just hype. It's a sales machine. First off, it's all about trust. Influencers have spent years building relationships with their followers. When they recommend a product, it's like a friend's advice. That's powerful stuff. It cuts through the noise of traditional advertising. Next up, targeting. Influencers come with built-in audiences. Want to reach fitness enthusiasts? Partner with a fitness influencer. Looking for tech-savvy millennials? There's an influencer for that too. It's like having a direct line to your ideal customers. Influencer marketing is content gold. You're getting authentic, creative content. And the best part, you can repurpose this content across your own channels. It's like getting a 2-for-1 deal on marketing assets. That's why influencer marketing is a must-have for any brand serious about growth in 2024. All right, let's get down to business. Choosing the right influencer is crucial. It's not about the biggest following. It's about the right following. Start with your target audience. Who are they? What do they care about? Find influencers who speak to these people. Alignment is key. An influencer should be a natural fit for your brand. Next, look at engagement. Follower count is vanity. Engagement is sanity. You want influencers whose followers actually care about what they say. Check their comments, likes, and shares. Are people interacting? Are they asking questions? That's the gold you're looking for. It shows an active, interested audience. Don't ignore micro-influencers. They might have smaller followings, but their engagement rates are often off the charts. Their followers are super loyal. They're seen as experts in their niche. Remember, choosing an influencer is like choosing a business partner. Get it right. Section 4. Measuring success. Tracking your influencer campaign's impact. Listen up, because this is important. You can't improve what you don't measure. Tracking your influencer campaigns is crucial. Start with the basics. Reach and impressions. How many people saw your content? But don't stop there. You need to dig deeper to really understand your ROI. Engagement is your next stop. Likes, comments, shares. These are all signs that people are connecting with your message. But here's a pro tip. Look at the quality of engagement, not just the quantity. Are people asking about your product? Are they tagging friends? That's the kind of engagement that leads to sales. Now let's talk conversions. Use unique promo codes or affiliate links for each influencer. This lets you track exactly how many sales they're driving. Set up UTM parameters to track website traffic from influencer posts. Remember, influencer marketing isn't just about quick wins, it's about building long-term brand value. Section 5, learning from the best case studies in influencer marketing. Time for some real-world inspiration, folks. Let's look at brands crushing it with influencer marketing. First up, Daniel Wellington. This watch company built an empire on Instagram influencers. They partnered with micro-influencers across the globe. The strategy, gifting watches and unique discount codes. The result, explosive growth and a cult following. They turned a startup into a $200 million business in just a few years. Next, let's talk about Glossier. This beauty brand is a master of influencer marketing. But here's the twist. They treat all their customers like influencers. They encourage user-generated content. They feature real customers in their ads. This strategy created a community of brand advocates. It's authentic, it's relatable, and it's driven insane growth for Glossier. Now let's look at a B2B example. Adobe partnered with creative professionals on Instagram. The campaign reached millions and boosted Adobe's cool factor among young creatives. Section 6. Maximizing ROI, tips for crushing it with influencer partnerships. All right, it's time to bring it all home. Let's talk about maximizing your ROI from influencer partnerships. First tip, think long-term. One-off posts are fine, but real magic happens with ongoing relationships. When an influencer consistently talks about your brand, it builds trust. It feels more authentic, and that leads to better results. Next, give influencers creative freedom. Yes, you need to provide guidelines, but don't micromanage. Influencers know their audience best. Trust them to create content that resonates. When influencers are passionate about your product, it shows, and that passion is contagious. It can turn their followers into your customers. Here's a big one: leverage user-generated content. Encourage influencers to run contests or challenges. Get their followers creating content around your brand. This multiplies your reach and creates social proof.